How to stop recording announcement in Google Dialer. Whenever you record a call in Google Dialer, you will hear this announcement.
This call is now being recorded.
Which is very irritating. And the second party also comes to know that you are recording the call. So friends, today we will see how to stop this annoying announcement while recording the call. That too without installing any third-party apps or without changing any text-to-speech settings. So friends, let's start the video. Just go to the dialer first, then click on 3 dots. Then go to the settings. Click on call recordings. Below you will find this option, play audio tone instead of disclaimer. By default this option will be off, so you have to turn it on. Then just agree to the recording consent. That's it. After this, if you record the call, you will not hear any announcement. Apart from that, you will only hear this beep sound. So friends, now you can record the calls without alerting the person at other end. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. And to see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel. So guys, see you soon in the next video. Thank you, stay healthy, and stay safe.